to your 8 minutes mobility workout. This will be a stretch and tone workout that you will love. You will get flexible and feel great. So let's begin, starting with the deep cleansing breath. Bring in your oxygen. It equals energy to every cell of your body, and then just let it go. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna just loosen up through the shoulder joint. That's it, just circle it. Beautiful. Keeping great mobility in the shoulders. Yes, loosen them up. You got it. Lift them up and back. Beautiful. We're gonna work from head to toe. Every area of the body you're gonna stretch. That's it. Feel flexible and stretch all the way back if you can. With one arm circled then the other. That's it. Stretch it back. Beautiful. Good circulation through the joints. So important. That's it. Keep moving. That's the key. Feeling good. Great. Circulation is what helps heal your body. So getting circulation through the body right now. And let's move side to side for the sides of the waistline. Just reach. Really feel the reach. That's it. Stretch. Great. Feel it through the waist, through the back. That's it. Wonderful. We got 2 more. Last one. Good. And now to improve your posture, clasp your hands behind you. We're going to open up the chest. That's it, improving the posture, stretching out through the front of your chest. No more rounded shoulders. We'll open it all up. Beautiful. And release. We got one more. Inhale, exhale, and slowly bring the elbows back, opening up all through here. This is where you want to feel a stretch. No more tight shoulders, no more slouchy shoulders. They get nice and stretched out by this one stretch. Oh, beautiful. And now slowly circle just one arm, reach it up and over. Beautiful. Lift your body and really move into it. Feeling it all through the upper part of the body. That's it. Wonderful feeling. Just let the arm float. One more circle. That's it. Staying very flexible in your shoulder joint is so important. Lift it up and over. Beautiful. That's it. So we don't get too stiff. We stay nice and flexible. That's it. So we can move and do everything. Last one. That's wonderful. Now I want you to stretch up, out, forward, and back. Arms up. Pinky fingers turn up and shin comes up slightly. And release. Now on diagonal, stretch your arms, stretch, open up, just open up. Oh, feels so good. Open up through the clavicle, that's it, through the sternum, and to the other side. Open it all up. This is what's gonna make you feel good. That's it. Getting the energy everywhere through your body, fingertips, extremities, and release. Beautiful. Now come on down to the floor. Bring one knee in front. We're gonna now first stretch your arms up overhead. Hold that stretch. Now slowly lift if you can. Squeeze your buttocks, lift up. Everything comes lifted up and over. That's it. And release. Now with just one arm, bring it up. Lengthen through the spine here. And now bend at the waist. Great for your hips. Just bend at the waist. Can you feel that? It's great for those hip flexors. If you sit for long periods of time, these muscles shorten. Now we're lengthening them. Just what you need. Lean, strong. Great. And now slowly reach your hands towards the floor. Lean slightly forward to get a good stretch in the inner part of your thighs. Good range of motion there. And now we're going to shift our hips back. We're going to flex this foot in front and stretch the hamstrings. If you need your chair or a couch or some pillows to keep you elevated, that's great. They really help assist. Even yoga blocks help. But if you can, strengthen and lengthen your spine. It's an anterior tilt. That's it. Tilt your hips back. Good. Notice my back is straight. I'm not hunched over. It's lengthening so you really feel a great stretch. Beautiful. Proud of you. Just breathe into it. No jumping, no bouncing, no jarring. It's just deep breaths into it to let the muscle relax. Beautiful. Okay, let's slowly turn to the other side. Bring the front knee in front. And now slowly lift both arms up. Lengthen through your spine. Lean slightly back. As you lean back, I don't want you to crunch into the low spine. I want you to lift up and then slightly back. But squeeze the tushy there. Squeeze the bottom. That's it. And release. And now slowly bring your hands to the ground. Stretch through the lower leg a little like this, placing your hands for support. You got it. This is stretching your groin area. That's great for circulation. And now flex your foot, sit yourself all the way back, reach down and flatten your back. Stretch your hamstrings. This is for the back of your legs. If you can keep that toe flexed up, it's even better. That's it. Ease into this now. Just take your time. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Remember that anterior tilt. You're lifting your tailbone out. Feeling that extra stretch. You feel it? And release. And now slowly bring your knee forward. Lift your arm up and bend at the waist. Bend. Feel the stretch. Oh, it feels so good. Can you feel it all the way up here through your body? That's it. Great for your hips to keep them healthy. Wonderful stretch. Hold that stretch. Beautiful. Okay, one wonderful stretch now for your legs. Just sit here nice and tall if you can. Sitting nice and straight with your back straight. Now place your hands for support in a tabletop with one leg coming out. And hold that stretch, just hold it. And mobility and balance. Lift the opposite arm, hold for strength. This is stretching and strengthening your erector spinae muscles of the spine. And release. The other leg comes up, hold it up there, stomach in. The opposite arm comes up, so it's a balancing for mobility and balance. Hold your tummy tight in. Lengthen through the spine and release. And now slowly walk yourself all the way up. Let me see your beautiful smiling face. Inhale and exhale. Good. And circle the ankles and the knees for good mobility in your lower legs. Keeping your hips, your knees, and your ankles very healthy. And reverse. That's it. And now let's work through the hips. It's a beautiful hip circle. It's a full range of motion. That's it. Good. All the way around. And reverse. Really feel loosening of the hips. It's lubricating the hip joints. And release. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. And you did a great stretching routine. Keep it going. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com. Sign up for your free trial now.